In this video, we'll be looking at some real-life percentage concepts from 7th grade Open Up Unit 4, Lesson 11. Today's goal is to be able to understand and solve problems about commission, interest, markups, and discounts. So there may be some vocabulary that's new to you. A markup is a percentage that businesses often add to the price of an item they sell. And then a markdown is a percentage that they take off of a given price. So when items are being sold, there are different prices for which they are sold. It's very customary to have a wholesale price, and that's the price that the company pays for the item. So a car dealership may be buying a vehicle for $25,000 at a wholesale price, and then the retail price, that's the price that they charge to the customer when they sell the product. So that might be like $30,000 on that same car. How would you find the retail price of an item after a 28% markup? See if you can identify multiple ways to do this. All right, I hope that you noticed or remembered, because we've been doing this quite a lot, that you could multiply the wholesale price by 1.28, or you could multiply it by 0.28 and then add that on to the original wholesale. Okay, but what would you do if it was a markdown? What if you would find the price of an item after a 34% markdown? Okay, again, you've got a couple options. You could multiply the original price by 0.66 because you're paying for 66% of the original price, or you can multiply it by 0.34 and then subtract that from the original price. Commission may be another vocabulary term that's new to you. Commission is just that the amount of money a salesperson gets when they sell an item. So it's a motivational tool. It incentivizes employees to sell more items or higher priced items than they normally would. It's usually a percentage of the price of the item they sell. So here's an example. A salesperson sells a weight bench with weights for $655. Salesperson earns 22% commission. How much money do they keep? Okay. You could find 22% of 655 is 144.1, so the salesperson keeps $144.10. Then how much money does the company keep? Well, they get everything else. So they're going to get 78% of this, or 655 minus 144.1. Either way that you solve it, you should get that the company keeps $510.90. I want just to point out that this chart is in your packet. So if you're ever forgetting some vocabulary, what they mean, this is at the end of lesson 11. So you can refresh on sales tax, gratuity, interest, markup, markdown, or commission. Gives a little bit of an overview of that. All right, I hope you're finding yourself to be pretty comfortable on real-world applications that are used with